Hello everybody and welcome once again to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson, and I have once again been out raiding the rack. I just don't know when this is going to stop. It's getting out of hand. Let's see what I got this time. So this time I was thinking that I need to get some kind of vining type plants because I want to use them as spillers around the bottom of other plants, and I also want to train some as thrillers that go up a stake and look beautiful like that. So they could be half up as a thriller and half down as a spiller as well, depending. So I went out and as you can see, I found me a beautiful Monstera monkey mask. This is a really wonderful plant with lots of holes in its leaves. Look at that. That is just amazing. A wonderful vining plant. There are lots of air roots on it, so when it grows tall enough, short enough, or however you want to, you can cut pieces off at the different nodes and propagate them either in soil or in water and carry on the collection. But look at that. Oh, it's just wonderful. I love these Monstera plants. And this is a little miniature one. It's just beautiful. Great ideas for what I want to do with this. I actually have one. I have two now because I want to put them together this time to grow around a stake so they become a tall vine. That's what I really want. And then some might spill down, and then of course I'm going to propagate some pieces. So that's an absolutely beautiful plant. I recommend going out and getting yourself one of these. Look at the holes in them. They're just so special, so different, so delicate. And the color's wonderful, dark green, but when you've got light on it, it turns this beautiful light green color. A great addition to any indoor garden or home. So I think I'll let that stay there at the front for now. So another type of vining plant that I really wanted for a while, but I haven't found it anywhere. I've been around to many different plant centres, but then I went to one today, and this one place had 8 little tiny pots of this one, and I bought all 8 because I want to use this plant as a spiller around the bottom of other large pots, and maybe as a little example on its own, and maybe with time when they get bigger and I get pieces that I can cut and propagate, I will make a thriller with them as well, not just spillers at the bottoms of pots. But without further ado, I'll just pick up a couple of these so you can see what they look like. They are called Marble Queen. Oh, I just can't get them up. There's too many small pots. Okay, I'm just knocking them all over the place. There's so many of them. These are called Marble Queen Pothos. These are Marble Queen Pothos. Aren't they beautiful? They're easy to grow, they're easy to propagate, they're easy to look after, you know, but this specific colour I couldn't find anywhere. And then I found them in this one place in these little tiny pots, as you can see, tiny little things. And 8 examples, and I bought them so that I can use them as thrillers and so forth. And I love the marbled effect, and they also brighten up the room, and they brighten up around the bottom of a pot with a plant with darker leaves and leaves that are a different texture to give you some contrast and something nice to look at. But these plants are also wonderful on their own, so I'll probably keep one in a pot on its own and let it bush out. We'll see what happens. There's so many different things you can do with these wonderful plants. But I got 8 little pots of these. So now I need to put these plants down on the side because I have another vining plant that I want to show you. Dearie me, I'm going to have to hoover my furniture in the house. That's not good at all. Should have a tray on here. Right, and that's these. So I got myself 4 little pots of these Philodendron scandens oxycardium. These are also cute heart-shaped leaved vining plants. Look at those. Aren't they beautiful? Absolutely wonderful. So I can use these as spillers or thrillers or on their own in a pot again. So these have much thinner stems on them than Pothos. You can't not want to have some of those around your plants. There's this medium dark green leaf and they're going to bush out and look wonderful. So I got on this Raid in the Rack trip all of these beautiful vining plants that I have great ideas for, and I just can't wait to get planting these out. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Gardens and Crystals video. Goodbye.